2020 Topps Sterling Baseball personal box for Min. Thank you, Min. Release date, only box I have. Good luck. I guess there hasn't been Topps Sterling for a while. They just brought it back. They have Bowman Sterling, but I think there's what? How many cards in this thing? 2? Oh boy. It's a freaking big box. Oh my goodness, what is in this thing? Two cards. Jeez, oh man. Okay, well. All right, dude. First hit. 101. 1 of 1 letter patch. Letter N. Trey Turner for the Nationals. On the game used 3-color patch. Letter N. 1 of 1. On the Trey Turner. Just gonna leave it right in there. All right. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Old school auto on card. No, not on card. Sticker. Can't tell. It's Chipper Jones. I can't. I'll have to look at it in a second. Chipper Jones auto 2-color jersey 6 of 15 for the Braves. Chipper sells very well. I don't know what the value is on something like that, but should be pretty good. Chipper Jones auto jersey 6 of 15 for the Braves. Look like sticker, but it is on card. And that's that, man. You can go to sleep. Thank you, sir. I'll get that.